Hi, I'm Katie from the Jeff Lee Farmers Agency. A lot of people wonder, what are my auto insurance liability limits or how much should I have? This is a great question. If you live in Maine, you're most likely driving a car every day to get to work or wherever you need to go. And you might lose sight of the fact that it's a big liability driving a car, and you want to make sure you have the correct limits. In Maine, the state minimum is $50,000 per person, not to exceed $100,000 per accident. These are good limits. However, if you go the next level up, it's 100,000 per person, not to exceed 300,000. This is more than double coverage, obviously, and you'd be surprised at how it barely affects your premium. So we always encourage higher limits. Practically, what that means, if you're driving a car and you hit somebody and they are injured, if you had the state minimum limits, you would only have $50,000 to pay for that person's medical expenses if you're found liable. We know how expensive medical care is these days, so you don't want to find yourself in this situation where you owe more than your insurance covers. It's definitely worth a call to just call your agent, bump up those limits. You'll probably barely notice an increase in your premium, and you'll be glad you did if you were responsible for a big accident.
If you have any questions or if we can help you in any way, please feel free to contact us today.